Hello all, this is Abhay. Having total 7+ years of testing experience, I have been associated with Agile Testing Alliance since 2016 and really thankful to Agile Testing Alliance since 2016. It is the organization which is helping testing community across the globe, and I am the part of Agile Testing Alliance Global Testing Retreat since 5 years, and it is a tremendous conference where all the testing enthusiasts gather and share their knowledge. Join us for ATA GTR 2022. Thank you.